According to all the aerodynamics law, a bumblebee cannot fly because its body weight is not in the right proportion to its wingspan. But ignoring this law, the bee flies anyway. Good morning and namaskar to everyone present here. I am Aayush Mandal from grade 9A1, today standing in front of you to present on the topic aerodynamics. Aerodynamics is the branch of science that studies how air flows and moves around the object. It helps us understand how airplanes can fly, how boats can glide, and how cars, bicycles, and even sport equipment are made to design move to efficiently through the air. By reducing air resistance, aerodynamics helps us save energy and improve performance. There are four major factors of aerodynamics: lift, weight, thrust, and drag lift. Lift pushes an aircraft upwards, whereas weight pulls it downward due to gravity. Thrust moves it forward, and drag lift is the air resistance that slows it down. Engineers use the principle of aerodynamics to make safer airplanes, faster racing cars, better wind turbines, and many other technologies that makes our daily life better. Aerodynamics is more than the science of flight. It continues to hold the shape of the future of transportation, sports, and technology. Every new discovery or invention helps engineers make better, faster, easier, and more efficient vehicle and equipment by reducing air resistance. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.